Moving, of course, out of the country to Yemen, India's Operation Rahat, which rescued thousands of stranded citizens from Yemen, has been a major hit with the global community. Now, the world is looking at India to rescue people of different countries who are stuck in this war-torn country. New Delhi, meanwhile, is ready to oblige as many as 26 countries who are eyeing Indian help.
Almost 4,000 Indians brought back safely to India from strife-torn Yemen. The result of a mammoth rescue operation carried out by the Indian Navy, Air Force, Air India and shipping ministries. And the effort has now received a big global thumbs up. 26 countries have asked India to help evacuate their citizens as well. The United States, France, Germany, Egypt, Singapore, Iraq and Lebanon are just a few on that ever-growing list. According to the Ministry of External Affairs, 220 foreign nationals have already been evacuated on Indian ships and aircraft. India has put all its might forward to make sure its citizens are brought home. For the last 10 days, 2 C-17 Globemasters, 2 Indian passenger aircraft, ferries, warships like INS Mumbai, INS Tarkash, INS Sumitra have been evacuating people in batches. Minister of State for External Affairs and former Army Chief General V.K. Singh is personally overseeing the evacuation operations in Yemen. Operation Rahat is now in its final phase, but it will not end till the last Indian has been evacuated.
Ability to get airborne even at higher temperatures and from austere airfields.
This aircraft can take 111 tons of fuel. This is massive fuel. Still, if a bullet penetrates into this aircraft wing fuel tank, it doesn't catch fire.
Because of the comfort factor, we are able to pull through so many sorties and still we are ready to go.
These planes, as well as ships from the Indian Navy and the planes from Air India, along with personnel from the MEA who are there on the ground processing the papers of all those people who want to come back from Yemen, are doing that glorious task.
As the enormous, complex and dangerous rescue mission draws to a close, India's own stature as a rising global power takes a few steps forward. With Shiv Arur and Jugal Purohit, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.